By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the flipped classroom model and its instructional approach, outline the key principles underlying flipped classroom learning, discuss the advantages of adopting the flipped classroom model, examine the obstacles to implementing a flipped classroom in traditional educational settings. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the transformative nature of the flipped classroom model and its profound impact on student engagement and learning outcomes. We will explore how this innovative instructional approach reshapes teaching practices and enhances the overall quality of education. So, let's begin with this question. How does the flipped classroom impact student engagement and motivation? The flipped classroom is an innovative instructional strategy that redefines the traditional learning environment by reversing the typical sequence of teaching and homework. In this model, students engage with instructional content, often through pre-recorded lectures or online resources, at home, allowing them to familiarize themselves with the material at their own pace. Classroom time is then dedicated to interactive, hands-on activities, discussions, and collaborative problem-solving, where students can apply what they have learned under the guidance of their teacher. This approach fosters deeper understanding and retention of knowledge and encourages the development of critical thinking and collaboration skills. The concept was popularized in the mid-2000s by teachers John Bergman and Aaron Sams, who sought to enhance student engagement and personalize learning experiences. By shifting the focus from passive reception of information to active participation, the flipped classroom model aims to create a more dynamic and effective educational environment that caters to diverse learning styles and needs. Principles of the flipped classroom. The flipped classroom model is grounded in several key principles that enhance student engagement and learning outcomes. These principles include: 1. Pre-class preparation. Students are introduced to new content before class through various media such as video lectures, readings, or online tutorials. This initial exposure allows them to familiarize themselves with the material at their own pace. 2. Active learning during class. Classroom time is dedicated to interactive activities, discussions, and collaborative projects. This shift from passive listening to active participation helps students deepen their understanding and apply concepts in real time. 3. Student-centered learning. The flipped classroom emphasizes a learner-centered approach, where students take ownership of their learning process. This model encourages autonomy and self-directed learning, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving skills. 4. Flexible learning environment. The classroom setup is adaptable, allowing for various instructional methods such as group work, independent study, and hands-on activities. This flexibility creates a supportive atmosphere conducive to learning. 5. Intentional content delivery. Teachers strategically decide what content to deliver directly and what to allow students to explore independently. This intentionality maximizes classroom time for engaging in pedagogical strategies. 6. Assessment and feedback. Continuous assessment mechanisms are integrated to evaluate student comprehension and progress. This feedback loop helps teachers adjust their instruction to meet students' needs effectively. 7. Collaboration and communication. The model fosters a collaborative learning environment where students can engage with peers and teachers, enhancing their communication skills and building a sense of community. By adhering to these principles, the flipped classroom model transforms the educational experience, making it more engaging, personalized, and effective for diverse learners. Applications of the flipped classroom. The flipped classroom model has been successfully applied across various educational settings, demonstrating its versatility and effectiveness. This multifaceted approach caters to diverse learning styles and maximizes the value of face-to-face instructional time, making the flipped classroom a powerful tool in modern education. Some notable applications include: 1. Pre-class activities form the cornerstone of the flipped model. For example, video lectures allow students to absorb content at their own pace, Interactive reading assignments with embedded quizzes ensure comprehension. Online discussions foster initial engagement with the material. 2. In-class time is transformed into a dynamic learning laboratory. For example, problem-solving sessions tackle real-world challenges. Peer-led tutorials encourage knowledge sharing and deeper understanding. Hands-on experiments bring theoretical concepts to life. Debate and role-playing exercises develop critical thinking skills. 3. Post-class activities reinforce and extend learning. For example, reflective journaling promotes metacognition. Project-based assessments demonstrate applied knowledge. Virtual simulations offer safe spaces to practice complex skills. 4. Subject-specific applications showcase the model's versatility. For example, in STEM, students can review complex formulas before class and focus on application during class time. Language learners can absorb grammar rules independently and prioritize speaking practice with peers and instructors. Humanities courses can dedicate class time to in-depth analysis and interpretation of pre-studied texts. This expanded view of flipped classroom applications illustrates its potential to revolutionize education across disciplines, learner types, and educational contexts. By leveraging technology, promoting active learning, and maximizing instructional time, the flipped model continues to adapt to the evolving needs of 21st century education. The benefits of the flipped classroom model. The long-term benefits of the flipped classroom model extend beyond immediate academic performance improvements, fostering a more profound transformation in student learning and development. Some key benefits include: 1. Enhanced academic performance. Research consistently shows that students in flipped classrooms often achieve higher exam scores and overall course grades compared to traditional settings. This sustained improvement can be attributed to the active engagement and deeper understanding of material that occurs when students prepare at their own pace before class. 2. Increased motivation and engagement. The flipped classroom model promotes intrinsic motivation by allowing students to take control of their learning. As they engage with content outside of class, students develop a sense of responsibility and ownership over their education, leading to increased participation and enthusiasm during in-class activities. 3. Development of self-directed learning skills. Students in flipped classrooms enhance their self-directed learning abilities, as they must manage their time effectively and seek out resources independently. This skill is crucial for lifelong learning and adaptability in various educational and professional contexts. 4. Improved retention of knowledge. The active learning environment created by the flipped classroom helps students retain information more effectively. Studies indicate that students perform better in the immediate course and also carry these benefits into subsequent subjects, showing improved performance in follow-up courses. 5. Greater collaboration and communication skills. Flipped classrooms encourage collaborative learning, as students engage in group discussions and projects during class time. This interaction fosters teamwork and communication skills, essential for success in both academic and professional settings. 6. Rich learning experiences. By accessing diverse resources and materials, students gain a more comprehensive understanding of subjects. This exposure to multiple perspectives enhances critical thinking and analytical skills, preparing students for complex problem-solving in real-world situations. The long-term benefits of the flipped classroom model encompass academic achievement and the development of essential skills and attitudes that contribute to students' overall growth and success in their educational journeys and beyond. Challenges of implementing a flipped classroom in a traditional school setting. Implementing a flipped classroom in a traditional school setting presents several challenges that teachers must manage to ensure its effectiveness. Key challenges include: 1. Technological barriers. Access to technology is crucial for the flipped classroom model, as students need reliable internet and devices to engage with online materials. In many traditional school settings, disparities in technology access can hinder some students from fully participating in the learning process. This digital divide can lead to inequalities in educational outcomes, as students without adequate resources may struggle to complete pre-class assignments. 2. Teacher workload. The flipped classroom approach significantly increases the workload for teachers, who must create or curate engaging online content, design in-class activities, and continuously monitor student progress. This preparation requires considerable time and effort, which can be overwhelming, especially for teachers who are already managing multiple responsibilities. Without adequate support and training, teachers may find it challenging to implement this model effectively. 3. Student resistance and adaptation. Some students may resist the flipped classroom model due to a lack of familiarity with the approach or a preference for traditional learning methods. This resistance can manifest as disengagement or reluctance to complete pre-class assignments. Additionally, students may struggle with time management and self-discipline, which are essential for successfully managing the flipped learning environment. 4. Cultural shift in teaching practices. Transitioning to a flipped classroom requires a significant cultural shift within the school, as it challenges the traditional roles of teachers and students. Teachers must adapt to a facilitator role, guiding students in their learning rather than delivering content directly. This shift can be met with skepticism from colleagues and parents who may be accustomed to conventional teaching methods. Addressing these challenges is essential for the successful implementation of the flipped classroom model, requiring collaboration among teachers, students, and the broader school community to create a supportive and effective learning environment. Conclusion. The implementation of the flipped classroom model in educational contexts represents a transformative shift in teaching and learning practices, emphasizing active engagement and personalized learning. By reversing the traditional instructional approach, teachers empower students to take ownership of their learning, allowing them to explore content at their own pace outside the classroom while dedicating in-class time to collaborative activities, discussions, and hands-on experiences. This model enhances student understanding and retention of material and fosters essential skills such as critical thinking, collaboration, and self-directed learning. Despite its numerous advantages, the successful implementation of the flipped classroom model is not without challenges. Teachers have to address technological barriers, varying levels of student readiness, and the need for significant shifts in teaching philosophy and practice. This shift demands a significant evolution in pedagogical skills, in creating engaging pre-class content, designing interactive in-class activities, and leveraging technology to enhance learning experiences.